How to speed up exercise recovery. If you are an avid runner or gym enthusiast, exercise recovery will be important to you. Rather than easing it off by consuming painkillers, try these effective quick tips for an effective exercise recovery. 1. Consume enough protein. Aim to consume at least 2 grams per kilogram of body weight daily. After a workout session, our body will go straight into recovering all the muscle tears. This is powered by the protein we consume. Although it is not very important to consume protein around your workout session, consuming fast-absorbing protein like whey protein around your workout might speed up the muscle repair work. 2. Sleep well. Research shows that a lack of sleep has an adverse effect on exercise performance and recovery. Having good sleep will improve our mental well-being, repair organs, increase metabolism and all our other bodily functions. Therefore, be sure to prioritize sleep. 3. Consume tart cherry juice and turmeric. Tart cherry juice and curcumin, which is found in turmeric, can help muscle recovery by reducing inflammation and delayed onset muscle soreness after a workout. 4. Enjoy dark chocolate. Good news, chocolate lovers. Enjoy having dark chocolate, but those with reduced or without sugar. Chocolate can help decrease muscle soreness and help shorten the time for your next exciting workout session. 5. Drink sufficient water. This is a simple tip but easily forgotten. Ensuring sufficient water intake allows your body to remove metabolic waste after a tough exercise session. 6. Skip alcohol. Alcohol has shown to cause dehydration. When this happens, it will interfere with protein synthesis. This will disrupt muscle recovery. 7. Use foam roller or get a massage. Muscle soreness occurs when the connective tissues in our body is tense and tight. Using foam rollers will aid in easing the tension in the muscles and avoid muscle imbalances. Alternatively, getting a massage will aid in decreased post-exercise muscle soreness. 8. Go for a cold bath. This may not be appealing, however, athletes have enjoyed a reduction in muscle soreness and inflammation. 9. Practice active recovery. During your rest days, it will be helpful to go for a low-intensity activity. This includes low-intensity cycling or just going for a simple walk. 10. Plan your workout and don't overtrain. Planning for rest will be the most effective tip of them all. For the average individual, do allow at least 48 hours of rest between each muscle group before hitting them again. However, rest duration may vary accordingly to age and exercise experience. Listen to your body, and if you feel weaker and see a dip in your performance, that's a sure sign for a good rest. Follow these effective quick tips and see results. Thank you for watching.